Meaning of House of God.
House of God.
House of God.
House of God.
House of God. The phrase house of God generally refers to a religious building or a place of worship. It is commonly used to refer to a physical structure where believers gather for religious activities. The term can also be used in a broader sense to refer to a community of believers or a religious organization. In Christianity, the house of God is often associated with the church, while in Islam it refers to the mosque. Regardless of the specific religion, the concept of the house of God represents a sacred space where believers can come together to pray, reflect, and seek spiritual guidance.